Introduce to you web designing without coding. Yes, I mean it. We are not going to be writing single line of code. Just like this blog website you are seeing, I made this blog website without writing single line of code. Yes, I mean it. And this is my blog website. You can visit this blog website to receive hot updates in Nigeria and around the world. Yes, we feature different categories. There are different categories: politics, celebrity, sport, then technology, educational, fashion, and all that. This was made without writing single line of code. We learn how to make a website like this, and lot of websites without writing was single line of code. And yes, we'll be making use of free resources. I will try to be making my website using free resources, and even if you are going to need pro resources or premium resources, I will try to make them free. Yes, I'll try to make some ways whereby we can get them for free and make use of them, so that we'll all be able to learn together and we'll be able to create projects together. Now, we'll be learning how to make different kind of websites: simple website, blog website, content management system, a school management system, e-commerce, and lot of websites like that. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share my videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you the overview of what WordPress is, and in this class here, I forgot that we'll be making use of WordPress. Yes, WordPress is powering over 30 something percent of the websites online. Yes, and I'll be showing you a couple of sites whereby they are made with WordPress. And what motivates me to start making this tutorial video, I need to tell you that I see a lot of people, though I'm into web development whereby I make it of coding, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and all that, but I saw people creating websites with WordPress and they are doing some things that are not making sense. And here I have a little idea whereby I can share with people, I can share with the world, so that together we are going to grow together. Please once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, and share my video, and turn on the notification so that you will receive updates whenever I release this new video. Now, this is just an introduction video. In the next video, we are going to look at the overview of WordPress, how to get a hosting, what a cPanel is, how to work around our cPanel, installing our WordPress, and other. Please once again, finally subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.